wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best fat tire electric bikes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're headed off the beaten track and want a little extra oomph to get you there and back, the Emojo Wildcat makes for a pretty sweet ride. It's mostly black with optional blue or orange rims and can be operated in assisted or throttle mode. It comes with a lithium polymer battery and a Beifang hub motor. However, its range is below average. At number 9, take your ride back to the future with the retro-styled T4B Greaser, which has a hidden battery and controller that reduces drag and provides a sleek appearance. It features a well-cushioned seat and Duro beach bum tires with a classic white wall design. It's equipped with an LCD trip computer and recharges in 5 hours, but it costs quite a bit. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Variable speed control, front and rear disc brakes, and a 13 amp-hour battery make the ecotric Zoom a great choice for following that dusty trail or blazing your own. It gives you the option of boosting your pedaling power or simply twist the throttle and let the motor do the work. It includes a USB charging port and a high-end Shimano gearbox. However, it's not ideal for very heavy users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fat tire electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the 750-watt Civibikes Cheetah combines modern technology with classic motorcycle styling, so you can travel with confidence while trekking through the snow, cutting a groove on dusty roads, or cruising along a sandy beach. It comes with a full-color LCD screen and an adjustable LED headlight. It's available with 2 battery sizes. Moving up our list to number 6, the addmotor Motan M70 sports an interesting style with an upright sitting position and high visibility lighting for safe riding when the sun goes down. It also includes a horn to let everyone else on the road know that you're there. It's got a 300-pound weight capacity and is equipped with rear turn signals. This one's good for short riders. Halfway up our list at number 5. Powered by a 1000-watt mid-drive and capable of handling up to 330 pounds, the Emojo Prowler is great for off-road use. It uses high-performance Shimano gearing to maximize efficiency and dual disc brakes to help you stop on a dime. It features 27 speeds, a hydraulic front suspension, and lithium iron phosphate batteries. At number 4, the Ride Scoozy Veego brings together a handful of useful features in a rugged, portable design. It's built to take on whatever terrain you're out to explore and compact enough to squeeze into many vehicles without much difficulty. It comes with a foldable aluminum frame, a cargo rack, and 5 levels of pedal assistance. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a Samsung power source mounted low on its streamlined frame, the addmotor Motan M560 P7 offers a fun and nimble riding experience. Without any pedaling, it can go as fast as 23 miles per hour with a range of up to 55 miles. This one's good for tall people and is equipped with water-resistant electronics and a 750-watt rear hub drive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fat tire electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want to avoid leaving your expensive equipment in public when you're out riding, consider the DJ Folding, which packs down to a relatively compact size. It uses LG batteries that are known to be some of the safest and most reliable on the market. It's UL certified for quality and backed by a 1-year warranty. It's assembled in North America. And coming in at number 1 on our list, packing 1000 watts and drawing from a 14.5 amp-hour lithium-ion cell, the addmotor Motan M5500 is suitable for riders weighing up to 350 pounds. It has 26-inch wheels, a durable iron gear rack, and a frame made of lightweight 6061 aluminum. It features a reliable brushless motor, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 7-speed transmission. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fat tire electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video.